Welcome to the AI use cases for beginners series. These are short videos that's focused on tactical ways for you to use AI as a beginner to make more money, to save time and save money in your business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create images so that you can save time and money on your marketing. I'm Vin Nguyen, co-founder of WorkSmart AI, an AI growth partner agency where we help local B2B businesses grow using AI. Let's get started. In our first example together, we're gonna use AI. In this case, I'm gonna use Gemini here to design an ad image for an HVAC business. Let me show you the prompt that I have. I said, act as a graphic design expert with expertise in designing marketing poster. Your task is to create a marketing poster for Bob's HVAC promotion, $89 tune-up special. Include a picture of an HVAC tech working on the AC unit. This marketing poster will be used in a Facebook ad. Include a CTA of call now at this number, 123-456-7890. And from that, Gemini created this marketing poster for us to use as an ad. Now, just keep in mind, this is the first draft, so it's not perfect. So you can interact with it and just have it change stuff based on what you want it to do. But overall, this first draft looks amazing. Moving on to example number 2, which is using Gemini to create a professional product photography for my coffee cup that I use here. So I just basically uploaded a picture of me holding the coffee cup along with pasting this very long prompt. And don't worry about copying this right now, because you can grab that for free in my free Skool community with the link below. And the output is this. I have transformed your photo into a premium e-commerce product shot by cleaning, isolating the mug, removing the hand in the background, applying soft professional studio lighting against a pure white background. Looks really nice, right? Moving on to the last example that we have, which is using Gemini to design a commercial promotional poster. And in this case, we're doing it for a coffee shop on their promotion of buy one, get one in the spring promotion. And again, don't worry about this long prompt. You can get that for free later. Check out this image that it created for us though. All that without any graphic design skill. If you want the prompt in this video, you can grab them for free in my free Skool community with the link below. Thank you for watching.